Exercise 5.1 question number 7. Find all points of discontinuity of a function f where f is defined by fx is equal to mod x plus 3 when x is less than equal to minus 3 is equal to minus 2x when x is between minus 3 to 3 open interval is equal to 6x plus 2 when x is greater than equal to 3. Okay. So here first of all I will write this function in a simplest form. Simplest form means we have to remove the mod. So this f will be what? F of x is equal to, see, when x is less than equal to minus 3 means x is negative. When x is negative, mod x will be what? Minus x. So this will be minus x plus 3 when x is less than equal to minus 3 is equal to minus 2x when x is between minus 3 to 3 open interval is equal to 6x plus 2 when x is greater than equal to 3. Okay, so there will be how many? 7 cases. 7, or let us see, minus 3 less than minus 3 one case is equal to minus 3 second case, between minus 3 to 3 4 third case, equals to 3 4 5 cases will be there. Okay, so first, now case 1, x is less than minus 3. Case 2, x is equal to minus 3. Case 3, x is between minus 3 to 3. Case 4, x is equal to 3, and case 5, x is greater than 3. Okay, so for x is less than minus 3, what is the function when x is less than 3? Function minus 3, function is minus x plus 3. Okay, so here we'll start like this. Let x is equal to a, where a is less than minus 3. A is less than minus 3 means in mind you should keep that it is minus 4. A is minus 4, that way we can think. Okay, so first of all, value of the function will find out f of a. F of a is equal to how much? Minus a plus 3. Give it result number 1. Then you find out RHL, right hand limit. Limit x tends to a plus. A plus means minus 3 plus. So minus 3 plus, when you are thinking 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and here it is minus 4. Minus 3 plus means you are somewhere here, means minus 2.99. Minus 2.99 is, yes, of course, less than minus 2. Sorry, we have kept in our mind minus 4. Less than minus 3 means you have to keep the value minus a as minus 4. So minus 4 point something. Minus 4 right hand side means minus 3.99. Minus 3.99 is less than minus 3. Okay, so function will remain same, minus x plus 3. Again I am repeating, fx is equal to minus x plus 3. Why? Because x is less than minus 3. When x is less than 3, minus x plus 3. Okay, now we'll assume that x equals to a, where a is less than minus 3. So in mind we should keep that a is minus 4 before minus 3, minus 4. Okay, so f of a, so in place of x we have kept a, so minus a plus 3 is the number 1. Now right hand limit, limit x tends to a plus means minus 4 plus. Minus 4 plus means minus 3.99. Minus 3.99 will be what? Less than minus 3. Okay, so less than minus 3 function will remain same. Now apply the limit, minus a plus 3, give it result number 2. Now you find out LHL, limit x tends to a minus. In mind we have thought that a kept that a is minus 4. So minus 4 minus means somewhere before minus 4. Means how much? Minus 4.01 or minus 4.001. Okay, again minus 4.001 is less than minus 3. So function will remain same, minus x plus 3. Apply the limit, minus a plus 3. Give it 3. So from 1, 2 and 3, what you understood? RHL is equal to LHL is equal to value of the function. So therefore function is continuous at x is equal to a, where a is less than minus 3. Now case 2, for x equals to minus 3. Okay, so first of all I will find out the value f of minus 3. When x equals to minus 3, x equals to minus 3, function is minus 3 plus 3. So that will be what? Minus of minus 3 plus 3. So that will be what? 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. Give it result number 1. Now I will find out RHL. So limit x tends to minus 3 plus. Minus 3 plus means minus 2.99. Minus 2.99 means it is what? Greater than minus 3. It is what? Greater than minus 3. So function will be minus 2x. Okay. So now apply the limit, minus 2 into minus 3, that is equal to again 6. Okay, this is number 2. Then you find out LHL. Limit x tends to minus 3 minus. Minus 3 minus means you are left to minus 3. So minus 3 minus means minus 3.01. This is minus 3. Minus 3.01 this side. Okay, so minus 3.0 means less than minus 3, less than minus 3, function is minus x plus 3. Apply the limit minus of minus 3 plus 3, that is equal to 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. Okay, give it result number 3 in case 2. So from 1, 2 and 3, same. Okay, from 1, 2 and 3, what you understood, LHL is equal to RHL is equal to value of the function. So therefore function is continuous at x is equal to minus 3. Now case 3, when x is between minus 3 to 3, function is what? Minus 2x. Okay, now let x equals to a, because it is not a fixed value. Between minus 3 to 3 many values will be there, so in that case we assume let x equals to a, where a is what? Between minus 3 to 3. Okay, so first of all find out the value of the function. So between minus 3 to 3, f of a will be at minus 2a, give it 1. Now you find out RHL, that is limit x tends to a plus means between minus 3 to 3 you keep a number, let us take 0. Okay, so we think that a is our 0, so 0 plus means 0.01. So 0.01 means of course between minus 3 to 3, so function will be minus 2x. Okay, apply the limit minus 2x, which result number 2. LHL, limit x tends to a minus. Okay, 0 minus means you are minus 0.99, minus 0, here it is 0, here it is 1, 0 means 0.1 and here minus 1, so minus 0.01 like that. Okay, so again it is between minus 3 to 3, so function will be minus 2x between minus 3 to 3. Okay, apply the limit minus 2, give it 3. So from 1, 2 and 3 and 3, what you understood, RHL is equal to LHL is equal to value of the function. So therefore function is continuous at x equals to a, where a is between minus 3 to 3. Okay, case number 4. For x equals to 3, okay, so f of 3 will find out what fixed value is there. F of 3 when x equals to 3, what is the function? 6x plus 2, that is 6 into 3 plus 2, that is 6 is 18 plus 2, 20. Okay, now we'll find out RHL, limit x tends to 3 plus. 3 plus means it is greater than 3, so function is 6x plus 2. Apply the limit 6 into 3 plus 2, okay, 20. Now you find out LHL, limit x tends to 3 minus. When x is less than 3, what is the function? Minus 2x. Apply the limit minus 2 into 3, so there is minus 6. Give it result number 1, 2 and 3. From 1, 2 and 3, what you observed? RHL is not equal to LHL and is not equal to value of the function. So here you say RHL is not equal to LHL. So therefore limit x tends to 3, fx does not exist. As limit does not exist, function is not continuous. Therefore function is not continuous at x equals to 3. Now last case, case number 5. When x is greater than 3, what is the function? 6x plus 2. Okay. So first of all, we'll assume that x equals to a, where a is greater than 3. Okay, so in mind we think that a is 4. Okay. Now f of a we find out. So in place of x in LHS we have kept a. So in RHS also keep the same, 6a plus 2, give it as number 1. Now you find out RHL, limit x tends to a plus means 4 plus. 4 plus. Here it is 4, here it is 3. 4 plus means 4.01. 4.01 is greater than 3. So function will be same, 6x plus 2. So that is 6a plus 2. Applying the limit, give it 2. Now LHL, limit x tends to a minus. A minus means 4 minus. 4 minus means 3.99. 3.99 is again greater than 3. So function is same, 6x plus 2. Okay, so apply the limit 6a plus 2. This is number 3. So from 1, 2 and 3, what we understood, LHL is equal to RHL is equal to value of the function. So therefore function is continuous at x is equal to a, where a is greater than 3. So function is not continuous at which point? Function is not continuous at which point? 3. Function is not continuous here. So what we say, the function is continuous. Function is continuous for all x belongs to r minus 3. Except 3 it is continuous everywhere. Means we can say point of discontinuity is 3.